African girl got the spice, she got it. Caribbeans, Jamaicans, I got a message. She can be my brown skin queen. Oh, brown skin girl, skin just like pie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you read the title of that video, you know exactly what we're going to be doing today. I am going to show y'all how to customize your own home screen on your iPhone device. So I recently, a couple days ago, just got a new phone because my old one was really bugging, y'all. My old one was an iPhone 10, and at first I didn't think much of it, but once it did what it did the last time, I was like, okay, yeah, no, we can't go through this again. So I ended up getting a new one. Y'all see my new case. So I ended up buying, I just got like an 11, like I just upgraded one phone. So I got the 11. I bought a glass screen protector from Walmart, and then I had a customized case made. Y'all see that? From Amazon, okay? So of course, on my old phone, I know y'all remember when the iOS 14 update came out about a year ago, you were allowed to add widgets and things to your screen and, you know, make it all cute and different and things like that. So of course that's what I did. So I have my old phone right here, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to customize your screen, because like, for one, we're about to fall into a new season. We're about to fall into a new season, y'all. So I feel like a lot of people are gonna be wanting to change it up to a different theme, which makes sense because that's exactly what I did. So I'm actually gonna show y'all the old home screen. We had a lot of notifications. The old home screen that I had, and then the new home screen that I have on the new phone, okay? And then I'm just gonna take you through step by step exactly how you can customize not only your widgets but your icons, your app icons, okay? So let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm actually going to go ahead and insert a clip of the old home screen just so y'all can see a different design ideas I've had. So I'll go ahead and insert a clip of the old one, and I'll insert a clip of the new one that we're about to try to make right now. Alright guys, let's go ahead and pop open the laptop, because obviously, well, I don't think you actually need a laptop. I did a lot of mine on the laptop because it's easier for me than on a phone to work with Canva. And of course we're going to be using Canva to do this because you use Canva for everything, so it only makes sense. So we're going to pop open the laptop or the app, whatever works best for you, friend. Let's see. Go ahead and record my screen. Okay, so you're just gonna start by obviously opening up Canva. All I did was click in the top right, pretty sure it says create new design. Yeah, create a design in the top right, and then search. If it doesn't already come up as suggested, mine comes up as suggested, just search Instagram posts. And the reason you're gonna do Instagram posts is because it's already a square, so it doesn't really matter. You can honestly use whatever you want, but I personally use Instagram posts because it already gives it a square format, very similar to how widgets or icons look. So okay, so now that we have that, we want to change the background of our widget to, let's see, we're falling into fall, guys, so we're gonna give it a more darker, deep, oh, I love that, a darker, deeper tone here. I love it, I love it, I love it. And so this will show as the background of the entire icon or widget, okay? And say if you wanted to just add some text, like a quote or something like that. Let's see, let's find something cute. I mean, y'all, really doesn't matter. You really can do whatever you want. So like, I personally like to have motivating things show on my screen because, you know, you look at your phone a lot, so I just like to add that bit of value for myself. So I'm just adding a piece of text, guys, and clearly the I'm trying to make it as big as possible so that it looks good, centered. We're gonna go ahead and change the color here. Both colors, honestly. To, I don't know, white and let's see, black, gray, maybe black, or maybe white, honestly. Do we like that? Or, like I said, guys, this is where the creative freedom happens. You can really do, like, when I tell you anything you want, any color, anything that you like here. So this is how you obviously change the colors and things. So kind of play around with it and kind of see what you like, what stands out best to you. Okay, so now we have it. We have our widget that is going to go on the screen. And keep in mind, widgets come in, I'm pretty sure, 3 different sizes. But if you were to use the Instagram post square, this should be able to fit any of those widgets, because that's what I did. So you're just gonna go ahead right here and click download. Perfect. So look, y'all, it's downloaded. All right, so because I conveniently have all Apple products, like my laptop's Apple and my phone's Apple, obviously, I actually can just click right here to share the document, click airdrop, and then it'll airdrop it to my phone and it'll be right into my camera roll. So that's pretty convenient if you want to do it that way, if you do have an Apple computer, and then, you know, it'll be right on your phone. Let's see, I'll airdrop it to my old phone so I don't mess up anything on the new one. Perfect. And I think it would make the most sense if you kind of plan a little bit, not trying to be like extra, but if you know exactly what you want, go ahead and make all of the widgets first. And then say, for instance, if you did not have Apple computer and you can't airdrop it, you can just email them everything over at one time and it'll all be on your phone, and then you save it to your phone from your email. Okay, so we got that. So I just airdropped it to my old phone just so we don't mess up the new layout design on the new phone. Okay guys, so I actually started screen recording on my old iPhone 10 so that you can see exactly what to do. You are going to need to download the app Widgetsmith if you haven't already, because that's definitely a big one. I use Widgetsmith, and I'll be sure to put a picture somewhere on the screen to show y'all what that looks like. Widgetsmith, and you're gonna need Widgetsmith for sure, and Color Widget. Those are the only 2 widget apps that I've used. So if you've opened Widgetsmith, you're going to click add widget, so you can either add a small widget, a medium widget, or a large widget. In this instance, I'm just gonna show y'all how to add just a regular small widget. Oh, that's awkward. Okay, so you need to make sure photo is selected or highlighted. Select photo, choose photo. You're gonna click it right there. So this is what it should look like, guys. It should fit perfectly. You're gonna go back, and you can name it if you wanna be able to just find it a little bit easier. So I'm gonna name it Goal Getter and save. Perfect. So then once you come back to your home screen, you're going to press down on the home screen, not on any apps. Click in the left corner, the plus sign. Search widgets, and you're gonna search widget. Well, I just typed W and it already popped up. Widgets, search Widgetsmith, and then you should be able to add widget. And look, it's already there. Y'all see that? Look how cute that is. You can move it all around. Obviously you can't move it like too much because you don't have a, if you like me on this page, I don't have a lot of apps. So yeah, this is exactly how you get your Widgetsmith on the screen. Look at it, isn't it cute? All right, so that's exactly how you do a widget. And if you wanted to do, let's do another one for example. another one, but a different size. So that one was a small widget. If you wanted to add a medium widget, just curious to know if the picture is gonna fit, honestly. We're gonna add the same picture. Oh, it does cut it off just a little bit. Normally for medium widgets, I like to do just like, not necessarily text, but maybe plain backgrounds or something that I know isn't gonna get cut off, if that makes sense. Like obviously I made the text really big, so it didn't fit. But you do the same process. You hold down the screen, tap the plus sign, you're gonna search widgets, go over to medium, add widget. But it's okay, see, this happened to me last time. If it pops up right here as a picture that you did not just do, you just simply click it. Click where it says the name. So right here it says medium number 6, and that is not correct. And we're gonna go down to goal getter, because that's what we named it, so we know exactly where it is. And then boom, it's on there. That's cute. All right. So if you wanted to add a large one, if I add a large one, y'all, it's not gonna fit, but we could do it anyways. First, we need to make it a widget. So actually, first we're gonna go to add large widget. Literally do the exact same process, guys. We're gonna name it so that it's easy to find. Boom. Press down the screen, tap the plus sign, Widgetsmith, scroll all the way over to large and add widget. I don't even have a calendar one on here, so I'm not even sure what this is about, so that's okay because we can change it. Boom. That is so pretty. Oh, let's go this way. So yeah, this is exactly how you do your widgets, and like I said, you can design them on Canva. They don't all have to be the same. You can literally add a different photo for each and every one. There's 3 different sizes. Make do with what you want. Okay? Great. All right, guys, so I almost forgot. When you use the color widget app, not Widgetsmith, but color widget, you are able to also create widgets, but just like in a slightly different way, maybe like without pictures and things, if you wanted to do that. So let me go ahead and screen record the screen. So I go ahead and click the color widgets app, and at the top of my screen you can see the white, black, and gray color widget, and that's the one I already have on this iPhone 10, which I don't use anymore, but so that's the one that I've already created. So you basically can pick it to look exactly how you want it. I typically go for something that shows the day, the time, and my battery percentage, because it's just, you know, it gives you all the information you need in one place. But as you can see, as I'm scrolling, there's like different ones that you can do. And you can also pick the size. So just like in Widgetsmith, color widget allows you to do the 3 different sizes. And of course, I use the medium one, but you can also change the background, the theme, the font, the border, and if you want to show or hide the battery. Okay? So that is exactly how you do color widgets, which is usually what you don't use for pictures. You can if you want to, but I like to use color widgets to show like actual information that I need to see on my phone. So there's that. And you add it to your home screen the same way that you do the same widgets. You know, you press the screen, click the plus button at the top, but instead of searching Widgetsmith, you're gonna search color widgets, and you're gonna add it literally the exact same way. Okay? And you should be able to add it to your home screen just like that, honestly. So yeah. Aside from widgets, another way that you can customize your iPhone screen is to actually customize your icons. Now, This actually used to really be a thing, y'all. Like back in middle school, I used to customize my icons all the time before iOS 14 was even a thing. So, but anyways, we are going to open up Canva. We're going to open up Canva again in a Instagram post size once again because we like the boxiness of it. That's perfect. Okay, and this is gonna be so easy, y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh. But basically you're going to change the background. Let's say we wanted, here's a fancy one, this brick wall background, and let's click elements. And so we wanted to do Instagram. We wanted Instagram to have a cute little logo or whatever. So you're gonna search Instagram logo. And I don't have premium, y'all, so I be using the free stuff. I don't I wouldn't. So here's like a free one down here. You can scroll. They have all these options of things you could use for an icon. I like this one. Where'd it go? This one personally. So if you just click right on it, and there we have it. Let's see if we can find that other color we use. It's like that. Ooh. And just make it, you know, as big as you like it to show on the screen. Obviously, if you make it like huge, it's gonna cut off on the icon exactly how you see it right now, y'all. So you don't want it too big. You want it to fit centered, obviously, but with some space on the corners. Okay? So we have our Instagram icon. We're going to download it. Perfect. Once it is downloaded, it should look like this, and you're going to go ahead and go through the same process, either mailing it to yourself or, in my case, airdropping it to the phone. All right, I clicked accept. Boom. It is now on the phone and it looks just like this, guys. Okay, so we're off to a good start. This is about to be like so much easier than you think. All right, let me go ahead and screen record so I can go ahead and show y'all exactly what we're gonna do. First, you are going to go over to your app library and you are going to find shortcuts. All right, you're going to click the plus sign. You're going to click add action in scripting. Okay, not apps, not favorites, it has to be scripting. Once you click scripting, you're going to click open app because that's what you want it to do. I mean, unless you want it to do something else, but in this case for app icons, if you want to click it, I hope you're wanting to open the app. So yeah, and then you click choose, and we did an Instagram app icon, so we're going to add Instagram. Okay, then you're going to click the three dots. Don't click next because we're not done. You're going to click the three dots. You're going to give it a name. I almost said another name. Give it the same name, y'all. Instagram, and then you're going to click add to home screen. Okay, then for some reason you have to name it again, so just name it. This is how it's gonna appear on your screen, so make sure you spell it right. I'll probably be somebody that spelled it wrong, so that's why I had to say that. Make sure you spell, unless you want to spell it wrong. If you want to use one of those cool font apps where you can like copy and paste the text into cool little fonts, do that. I'm pretty sure you can do that. Let's see if you can. I'm pretty sure you can do that, y'all. And then you're going to click the icon that is right next to the words that you just typed. The one that is outlined in blue. We're going to click that. We're going to click choose photo. All right, once we click the icon, we're going to click choose, and boom, look at that. And click add it to home screen. You're going to click done. Oh, it's telling me I already have a shortcut named Instagram, but I don't know what I could. Okay, we're just gonna spell it wrong just just for the sake of this video, guys. I don't even use shortcuts on this phone, so I'm a little confused, but it's okay. We're just gonna call it something different. I just added an M. And look, it's right there on the screen. And you should be able to click it and it opens up whatever you would normally see when you open up your normal Instagram app. So y'all see that? So we have the widgets and we have a perfect example of an Instagram icon. That's super cute, actually. So yeah. It's that easy, guys. Like, it's really, let me stop screen recording. It's really that easy. Not much to it, but hopefully this video helped. I really hope it did, y'all, because when I was first trying to do this, it wasn't a lot of help, okay? So hopefully I can help you kind of spice up your home screen for the fall. If you watch this video and you actually did learn and actually did something with it, show me, send me a picture, y'all. DM me your home screen record it. I want to see, and I'll post it. I'll post you. I will, honestly. So show me, send it to me so I can see. But yeah, if you have any questions, if you're kind of stuck in any of the steps, always, like I say, don't be afraid to reach out to me. I would love to help. I love stuff like this. Like, I love designing, guys, so I can design any and everything. But that is it for today's video. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. I would love for y'all to send me whatever y'all do to your home screens. I would love to see it. So don't forget, okay? So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe as always, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.
Yeah, let me say, brown skin girl, don't you know you're beautiful? Yeah, melanin, just so instructable.